How do you pronounce it? Is it cricket?
It's cricket, like the animal cricket. Hi, my name is Geraldine and I'm the Asia Regional Marketing Manager from Cricut. So basically, I lead marketing activities across the region to increase brand awareness and also to acquire new Cricut members as well as to drive engagement. Cricut is an American crafting company. We make smart cutting machines that allow you to personalize some of the items. For example, these are some of the cuts that's personalized with Cricut, and also you can make stickers with Cricut, as well as some iron-on projects, as you can see from here. When I was looking for brand collaborations for Cricut, that was when I saw that MakeIT at NLB was offering a lot of free workshops for the public to attend. That's when I decided that it would be a good opportunity for Cricut to raise our brand awareness and also reduce the barrier for people to use Cricut machines when it's actually made available in the library. I think MakeIT and Cricut has a very good synergy, mainly because of the community that they share. So in Cricut, we have a community of members, and also in MakeIT, they also have their very own group of creators and makers who are very interested in the space of creating and translating their ideas into life. We have collaborated with MakeIT on multiple occasions for many workshops, and the first ever workshop we did was an upcycling workshop where we encouraged participants to bring their own t-shirts, and we covered the stains with Cricut smart cutting machines and iron-on vinyls. I find that this is a very interesting workshop because participants were able to bring a new life to their old shirts, and it encourages sustainability. Cricut workshops are also very suitable for gift-giving seasons. We want to encourage the public to be able to create something for their loved ones as well. We also plan to have some Cricut demos at MakeIT Space, so there will be more exciting collaboration moving forward. I would say that these workshops are really beginner-friendly. At these workshops, we have our very own Cricut ambassadors who will be here to guide you through your project making, and there will also be materials provided for you as well. At the same time, we have our very own Cricut members who already own a Cricut machine, and they like to attend these workshops at MakeIT Space to meet like-minded crafters like themselves. I met Eunice at one of the workshops here at MakeIT, and she was here with her mother to create an iron-on project with Cricut. Her bubbly personality really stood out to me as she was filming the process video, and that was when I realized that she was an artist herself who does Lego printing. MakeIT definitely connects like-minded, creative makers together. My advice is don't be intimidated, even if you don't think you are creative or even if you don't think you are a maker. Just remember there will always be people who will be here to help you. The MakeIT community as well as the Cricut community is the best place to start.